PORINETIA.
Hey everyone, it's Moorea from PORINETIA TV, the place to learn, to connect and feel and become Polynesia. Today I have a special guest from the island of Moorea, a person that probably a lot of you know. She is in the city of Papetoai. So I would like to welcome and introduce you our special guest today, Adelina. Yorana.
Yorana Minau.
Thank you so much for joining us for our show today. So Adelina is probably known a lot all over the world. Taught Ori Tahiti and share our Tahitian culture to all the Polynesian dance groups out there. So Adelina, can you tell me a little bit about your background? So how did you get into the Ori Tahiti world?
First, I would like to thank you for coming over here and share, everything that I'm going to say to people in the United States or wherever all over the world. Well, I did start dances when I was 4 years old, and I would like to thank, Gilolon, which is one of the master of the Ori Tahiti, and he is the one who really give me that motivations to go forward to learn more about my cultures that before I have no ideas about it. And just dancing, moving the hips or whatever, just be like a modeling on the stage. That's the Ori Tahiti for me was before. But as soon as I go forward day by days, and he was always saying that the Tahitian culture is not only based on the Ori, but it's about the language, it's about the story, it's about everything turning around the Ori Tahiti, which is make you like a very good and important person. Not only because you're moving your hips and be pretty ladies on the stage. No, this is only like a theater, but the most important thing is what you have inside of your heart.
Perfect. Thank you for sharing. So Adelina, we heard, and I'm sure a lot of Polynesian groups outside of Tahiti came to meet you with your team because you created and founded Tupuna Culture, and I'm sure you did it with Brenda, I believe. Tell me about it. How did you get the idea of creating that cultural center?
Oh, that's an interesting question. It's only because I had met Brenda when I was working on the program, and when I was working on it, I found that a lot of people, who come here in Tahiti to find and learn more about Tahitian cultures, it was fair, poor. What they said, it's the most things that we did is to go on the wave runner, four-wheel drive, but we're trying to learn more about your cultures. And I had that idea to set like concept by giving them an idea on who is the Tahitians, what do we eat, and every day, so what can we do with everything, grabs around yourself. The Mother Nature has given us so much treasures that your hands can make something very nice. That how it came that idea to work with Brenda because she's a very talented musician, and she write and compose songs, which make us a very good team. Really match. She has 50% of Tupuna Cultures, and I come and learn and teach about Tahitian cultures. And how it's come that idea is because I do really love my cultures, and Brenda's never live in a dance experiences, but she writes so many experiences in the songs, and that was one of the way for us to express it. And I said, okay, that's cool. Let's work together so I can use your word, I can use a song by singing, teaching to the people, and we dance on it. That's how it came that idea. Why not creating like a Polynesian village? Because we have no Polynesian village at all here. Invite people coming and meet the Tupuna and Tupuna can share the knowledges to the tourists or to us, local people, because we never end to learn about ourselves. Even today, I'm still learning. So days we comes and more I learn. And it's a great pleasure for me, to share all this treasure to anyone who is interested to learn.
Perfect, Adelina. Thank you. So a lot of Polynesian dance groups outside of Tahiti came here. They're from Mexico. By the way, we have a Mexican group behind us, from US, from all over, right?
Yes.
Now, what do you guys offer to these groups, like specifically? Do you offer like a whole week? Or what do you guys do exactly?
All right, so we had 2 different guests coming over here. We do have some people coming here only for 3 days, so their request is very special. Some call and said, okay, we're interested to come and learn more about history, and we set up, we receive them.
Okay.
And some of them said, okay, we just want to learn more about Haitian dance, basic step or whatever. Then we always say yes, because that's the goal, is to share everything you have, share it to anyone who requests something to learn. And we have the other guests, who come in a group, and they will be here for maybe a week or 2 weeks in immersion, totally immersions, and they will be in contact with local people like Tupuna. What they learn? Language, Tahitian and French, of course French, because we are a French colony. And I may precise this because French, why? Maybe I'm wrong, but I wish that I'm wrong. That's 80% of the Tahitian people speak more French than Tahitian. I find out it's a pity. It's so sad. Then that's why we're teaching French and Tahitians. Also, we teach them how to dance, the basic step, drumming, ukulele, history, also orero, whatever. It's so huge. And teaching how to learn how to make the basket with pandanus, palm leaves, with the coconut palm leaves, different basket, so many. Then tell people, not only teaching them how to make basket with the coconut palm leaves, but focus on something very important, which is the importance of the coconut tree. What's the coconut tree exactly? Then people will learn it, and you can use it everything from the coconut tree. You take the coconut tree, you cut the coconut tree, you use everything. Nothing is throw it away. You will use everything that Mother Nature gave it to you. But before cutting a tree, you gotta plant a new trees. Then you will allow to cut the trees. So we're not only there to teaching how to make this, but teaching people that it's very important. Everything you're making with your hands, it's not coming from you, it's coming from the earth, from the ground. So you always have to be respectful, thankful to the ground that's made to the Mother Nature. Because I may say that because it's very important. I have a son. I was pregnant till 9 months. I'm the one who take care of the child. But it's a part of the Haitian culture. When you give birth, you're not the one who give the breath to your son, but another person's, which is Mother Nature. Reason why we have to give respect to Mother Nature. So a way for us to give respect, we take the placenta, planting into the ground, and put like a fruit trees on it. This is one way for us to give our respect to her. And all those educations, we gave it with the peoples coming here and learn about the Haitian cultures.
Perfect. Wow. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. So you guys are basically giving whatever people need to learn about.
Yes.
If it's the Ori Tahiti, it's the Ori Tahiti.
Yes.
If it's the food, it's the food. But you give them everything they need. Wow, this is amazing. I love that. So can you tell me what will people expect if they come here? Let's just say they come here for a whole week of immersion, cultural immersion program. What would they expect?
what people expected. It's, with all the witnesses that we have and the feedback that we had, they were expected live like the Haitians. That's something that they really missed it when they come here on holidays. What they said, we just come, okay, land at the airport, take the taxi, go to the hotels and see, everybody working in the hotels, go around the islands, visit the islands, that's all. But what they lived, experience, and they were expected, it's to have that connections, with the local people, sharing, not like a training programs, but like they were living in a family, the Haitian family. That's their wish and they were expected about that.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you so much, Adelina. I really appreciate. Do you have one last word to tell all those Polynesian dance groups out there, or even not necessarily Polynesian groups, right? Dance groups.
Yeah.
It can be anybody.
Oh yeah, I mean precise. Tupuna Culture is not only based for focus for the Haitian foreigners dancers. It's for anyone who would be interested to learn more and discover more about the Haitian cultures. We might have some people, retire. They will be interested to learn more about my cultures, and it's also for them. Of course, most of the people come here are from the Haitian dance, hello. But it's not only for them.
Everyone is welcome.
Everyone is welcome over here. And great pleasure for me to greet them.
So thank you so much, Adelina, for your time, and we appreciate you very much, and a lot of people appreciate you as well. And so that's why we came here all the way to Moorea to see you. It was worth the trip. So everyone, thank you for hanging out with us, and I will give you information about Tupuna Culture. Please send us your comments, your questions. We'll be happy to answer you. If you have any questions for Adelina, please feel free to send that to us. And if you need, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, PORINETIA TV. And if you want to get any notifications, please hit the light bell below. And I'll see you guys later, and I'll say bye-bye, Nana.